Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best inline skates that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Roller Derby Girls 5.2 Stinger Adjustable Inline Skate. This inline skate is a great inline skate for growing ladies who want to learn skates quickly. The skate can be modified to the length that you want. The toe length and ankle tightness can be easily adjusted to fit your daughter's feet. It helps you to gain confidence and to sharpen her skills. The pull and tighten lace system, comfort fit liner and cam lever buckle confirms a secure fitting. You will enjoy a quiet, smooth and confident ride on polyurethane wheels and high-quality bearings. The skates contain a molded cuff that have easy push-button adjustment system providing easy and support skating. It has polymer frame that provides stability. Moving on at number 4, we have the Roller Derby VTech 500 Women's Button Adjustable Inline Skate. This adjustable skate, as its name suggests, it's adjustable to 4 different sizes. This is the reason why it is one of the best skate in the market because of this unusual feature. It makes it ideal for most people because of its capability to be more flexible on various sizes of feet. Apart from this feature, the skate provides great comfort because it has fit padding and polymer edge that ensures long durability. It's designed for ladies, hence it has a stylish designs. At number 3, we have the Roller Derby AERIO Women's Q60 Inline Skates. This inline skates for women are intended for leisure inline skating and it can help learners to intermediate skater perfectly. The inline skates has a contoured, foam liners that will comfort the feet and mesh soft boot, and the polyester will lessen moisture that is built up by giving a good airflow or keeping your fitness. It is made with low center of gravity, giving a perfect stability and additional control to retain skater confidence high. The skate is dynamic and sleek in style and look. It provides you with a controlled ride with good start and stop. It offers you a smooth, quick ride, pleasant workout and will improve your fitness. At number 2, we have the High Bounce Adjustable Rollerblades Inline Skate. Fourth in this list is High Bounce Rollerblades that is designed for individuals who love fashion and style. Apart from the sleek design, this rollerblade contains a thick interior padding that gives more satisfying leg comfort. It has push buttons on the ankle area to fasten your ankle area. The exterior parts are strong to make them fit for hard and bumpy terrains. And finally at number 1, we have the Fifth Element Lynx Women's LX Inline Skates. The aluminum framework has great power movement together with ABEC7 bearings permitting the skater to attain greater speed with the lowest amount of effort. This soft boot has 3 levels of locking up the foot in, strap, buckle and laces. It is a perfect choice for learners. These skates are not costly, nevertheless they offer really an awesome quality for their price range. It is ideal for beginners and most skaters agree that the roller blades are strong, comfortable and also run smoothly. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.